Good morning students, I am your English teacher Shabana and today's topic is writing about a person. In this let's try A, we have to do write about a person. Okay students, now I will teach you how to write about a person. Okay. Uh, in this exercise, in this let's try, you have to write about Rajat and about Aji, his grandma. Okay students, how was Rajat, है ना, how was the behavior of the Rajat, and how was Aji. We have to write about Aji and Rajat also. Okay students, now we will start writing about Rajat and Aji. Okay students, yes, first of all we will find out some qualities or behavior of Rajat. Okay, students, you all know about Rajat. Rajat was a careless boy, है ना. He threw his things here and there in the room. He scattered all the things in the room, है ना. But he was a helpful boy also, है ना. Why? In the first paragraph of the story, we read about Rajat. Rajat had the puppies, had the litter of puppies, है ना. Yes, so we will write about Rajat that Rajat was a very helpful boy, है ना. Was a helpful boy. The first sentence of Rajat is Rajat was helpful because, yes students, we have to write the reason. Okay, we have to write the reason why we call him helpful. Okay, Rajat was helpful because क्या किया था उसने? He helped the puppies, he helped the litter of puppies, है ना, and he helped Aji to find her glasses also. So we can write he helped Aji to find her glasses, and we can write as well as we can write he helped the litter of puppies. Okay. Find her glasses. Okay, this is the first, and second one is, yes, anything about Rajat? Yes, how was Rajat? He was helpful. He was careless. Okay, he was careless. Then we will write Rajat was careless. Rajat was careless as he threw his things everywhere. His things everywhere. Okay. The third one is Rajat was impassionate. Rajat was impatient as he was always in hurry. Yes students, You all know about the Rajat. When we read the story of Rajat, when we read the story of Rajat, we read about Rajat that Rajat has threw his bag at the time when he reached the home from school, है ना? And he started to find the glasses of Aji. Okay, so from that incident we can say he is impatient. He was impatient. Okay, as he was always in hurry, because he was always in hurry. वो जल्दी में रहता था. He was impatient as he was always in hurry. Okay, the next one is, yes, Rajat was responsible. How? Because we have to give the reason now. That's why we will write, because we will write the reason, because he learned to look after his things, because he learned, he was responsible. That's why he learned about take care of the things, है ना? He learned take care of the things because he learned to look after his things. Okay, the first one is Rajat was helpful because he helped Aji to find her glasses, है ना? And Rajat was careless. You all know about it. Rajat was a careless boy, है ना? Rajat was careless as he threw his things here and there in the room, है ना? He scattered all the things in the room. You all know about it. And the third one is Rajat was impatient. Rajat was impatient as he was always in hurry. As he was, जैसे वो always hurry रहता था. Hurry means जल्दी में रहता था. He was always in hurry. Okay. After that we will write the next one. Rajat was responsible because he learned all the things to take care of the things, है ना? He learned to look after his things when the things of Rajat protested. Okay, students, write down the lines about Rajat quickly. After that, we will write about Aji. We will write about Aji, his grandmother, Rajat's grandmother. Okay, students, I am going to erase it because the board don't have enough space for writing. Okay, students. Now we will write about Aji. Okay. Yes. Now first of all we will discuss about Aji. About how was Aji. You all know about Aji. Aji was a great lady, है ना? Aji was a great lady. He was a old woman, and she was a old woman, है ना? And she was very caring, and she was very caring because she did not scold Rajat, है ना? वो कभी भी नहीं डांटती थी रजत को. That's why she was caring. So first of all we will write about Aji. What is? Yes, we will write about Aji that she was a caring woman, है ना? She was caring because she was caring because about Aji, we can write the name of grandmother Aji. Okay. Aji was caring because she did not score Rajat. Okay. The next one is Aji was kind. Aji in this sentence we will write that Aji was caring because she looked after Rajat. She looked after Rajat. Okay, students, we will write looked after Rajat. And the second one is Aji was kind. How was Aji? Aji was caring and kind, because in this one we will write she did not scold Rajat. है ना? She was kind. She was kind because she did not scold Rajat. Okay. And the next one is, yes. And next one is Aji was organized woman. है ना? Aji was well organized woman. She organized all the things in the room, in the house. So we will write Aji was organized because she picked because she picked up Rajat's things and put them away properly. Okay, students. Yes, Aji was well organized woman because she picked up all the things of Rajat and put them away properly at their proper place. Hello, students. Yes, we will write fourth sentence for Aji. And Aji was organized, Aji was kind, Aji was caring, and next one, what should we write? Yes, Aji was absent-minded. Aji was, yes, we can write Aji was absent-minded. Why? Because she always loses her classes. She always loses her classes. है ना? Aji was absent-minded. Aji was absent-minded as she was always losing her glasses. Aji was absent-minded as she was always losing her glasses. है ना? In the second paragraph of the story, we read about that Aji was Aji was closing her glasses, and when Rajat reached the home, he started to find out the glasses everywhere in the house. Okay, from this incident, we can write Aji was absent-minded जो चीजें रखकर भूल जाता है. Okay, Aji was absent-minded as she was always losing her classes. Okay, student, these are 4 sentences of Aji, and we have written 4 sentences. We have been written 4 sentences of Rajat, about Rajat. Okay, student. So now you have to write the 4 sentences about Rajat and 4 sentences about Aji in your notebook, in your fair English notebook. Okay, English notebook, 4 lines notebook. Okay, students, complete this exercise. Let's try it in your notebook. Bye bye. Stay home.